Hey guys, Gibson Crazed 14 here with my new invention. It's a airsoft dispenser, kind of like spy dispenser, because it's like in a Pez machine. Alright, so I'll show you how to make it now. Alright, first you're going to take your Pez machine, open it up, and then, so it stays like this. You're going to take your paper, cut a strip about that big, and line it up to your Pez machine and cut where it is and goes to the head part. Alright, and then you're going to need your tape. So you're going to take your tape, take one piece, put it there, take another piece, and put it right there. And you put it there, like that, and press down the sides, like that. I already had that one done, so. And yeah, so the way this works is you take your BBs, make it lock like this, keep the head open. Put your BBs into the opening. Close it. And you should open his head. You got a little BB dispenser. Thanks for watching.